down in the darkness, I was crawling through the human race. I heard the voices through the dark, so I beat my fist against my chest, against my heart. Hey, oh, hear the sound, we are the underground. Hey, oh, rising up, we're not afraid of fighting. I finally found my place, I put the war paint on my face, and I'm ready to give whatever it takes. Standing at the edge of the fire, fighting for the will to survive. I feel it burning under my skin, and I'm back on my feet again. This is the feeling, I can't believe it. My heart is bleeding out now, I'm dangerous. Feet in the fire, higher and higher. Rising up, now I'm dangerous. Silence the voices in my head. I picked my poison, now I'll drink it to the bitter end. Hey, oh, hear me now, I'll take on the darkness by myself, 'cause I'm ready to give whatever it takes. Standing at the edge of the fire, I don't know how I ever survived. I feel it burning under my skin, and I'm back on my feet again. This is the feeling, I can't believe it. My heart is bleeding out now, I'm dangerous. Feet in the fire, higher and higher. Rising up, now I'm dangerous. This is the feeling, I can't believe it. My heart is bleeding out now, I'm dangerous. Feet in the fire, higher and higher. Rising up, now I'm dangerous. I'm dangerous. Rising up, now I'm dangerous.
I got a hunger, I gotta feed my soul. The gates are open, so release the bulls. Don't hold me back no more, unleash the beast inside. Stand up with my pride, I was born to toe the line. I'm ready to light the fire inside. We are legends, tonight's the night. Yeah, we are legends, tonight's the night. Yeah, so come along with me, 'cause we're making history. Yeah, we are legends tonight. A legend is born tonight. History is made tonight. We are the chosen, we got the keys to the town. Yeah. And no one's gonna take our crown. the sun. Are you ready to ignite the fire inside? We are legends. Tonight's the night. Yeah, we are legends. Tonight's the night. Yeah, so come along with me, 'cause we're making history. Yeah, we are legends. Tonight, a legend is born. Tonight, history is made. Tonight, a legend is born. We are legends. Tonight's the night. Yeah, we are legends. Tonight's the night. Yeah, so come along with me, 'cause we're making history. Yeah, we are legends. Tonight, a legend is born. Tonight, history is made. Tonight, a legend is born. Tonight's the night. A legend is born.
What about a customer? Come on. Come on. Come on. Dirty old mate like
In my line of work, every now and again you get this bloke, he's stone deaf, but you can hear his missus, who just whispers, you know, like, what did he say? He said, blah, 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 you know, like. Anyway, old fucking Freddie comes in to Jane and he's having his annual checkup. And I said, how you been? What did he say? He said, how you been? Good. Okay. So I said, I have a bit of a look and checked his blood pressure and all the other shit, and I said, Fred, you alright? Yeah, yelling at him. He said, what did he say? And goes, he said, you alright? Okay. And I said, look, next time you come in, you're going to do a more comprehensive check. I want a sample of your feces, your urine, and some semen. What did he say? He said he wants a pair of your jocks.
Outback tyre support. He's got tubes in those tyres and he's helped out. If you've got support from Con and you haven't replaced the tube, he goes through stock, eh? He's a proper mobile operation. If you don't replace your tube, he runs low on stock. So you guys know who you are. If Con has helped you out, he needs a tube. Road, the wedge tail buffet road, leaving Copley. There was one standing in the middle of the road, and he was about as big as a 6 or 7 year old kid.
It was massive.
And I'm looking at it, going, I know there's a wedgie in front. I'm doing 100 and something, and there's a Land Cruiser coming the other way, and the wind must have been a crosswind, because the wedgie was just tucking in. It didn't give a toss. The Land Cruiser's high beaming me and going on the brakes. I'm rolling off the gas, going on the brakes, got on my horn, and when the wedgie was 10 metres away, he swooped off. Who was behind me during that? Yeah. And then there was a few more off to the side and a few more there. Like, they're awesome creatures, and it's a really nice moment when you get to see one up close, and especially not hit it. Because usually, well, sometimes there's a bit of roadkill and there's a dead wedgie beside it, and that really sucks. So yeah, wedge tail moment today was nice. Who took the backtrack today? Because I was wondering this morning, staff were all ready to go down there. I hope some customers take it because. And then I caught up with some guys. It was pretty rough, hey?
Yeah.
Yep. And the quote of the day. The quote of the day from Peter, who did that track yesterday, coming in early. He was one of the first riders through, and he was hearing how bad it was when he got, other people were coming in, and he's saying, how bad can it be? How bad can that track go? Well, today, I think he dove off the front of his bike at least once, maybe twice. And he looked like Vinny and Anthony right there when he got to Copley, and he goes, how bad can it be? I really didn't need that.